નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is natural vegetation. Now dear children, already we have to learn about the types of the natural vegetation. The types of the natural vegetation we have completed the two types of the natural vegetation. One is a tropical rainforest. It is also called as a evergreen forest. And second one is a tropical deciduous forest. It is also called as a monsoon forest. Now we have to continue from the third types of the natural vegetation. The third types of the natural vegetation is the tropical desert vegetation. Which one, dear children? Tropical desert vegetation is, it means ઉષ્ણ કટિબંધીય કાંટાના જંગલો. Now first of all, dear children, they have given about the distribution portion. Then generally such forests are found in the region of receiving less than 70 centimeter of the rainfall. What happened there, dear children? Here in the tropical desert vegetation we have found in the region receiving how much? Receiving less than 70 centimeter rainfall. In the previous tropical deciduous forest we learned that 70 to 200 centimeter annual rainfall. In tropical rainforest 200 centimeter or more than 200 centimeter annual rainfall. So here in tropical desert vegetation the annual rainfall is less than 70 centimeter in the desert region. These are found. Now where we have to find out the tropical desert vegetation, dear children? We have to found in the northern western region. Which one? Northern western region. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. These all are the region where we have find out the tropical desert vegetation. After, dear children, they have to given the name of the trees are found in tropical desert vegetation. First, they have to given about jujube. Which one, dear children? Jujube. Jujube, it means bold. After, acacia, cactus, khijro. These all are the name of the tree are common found here into the tropical desert vegetation. After, dear children, they have given about the characteristic of tropical desert vegetation. There the roots of the trees and the plants here are longer. What happened there, dear children? Here tropical desert vegetation, the roots of the tree, roots of the trees and the plants here are long, deep and the widespread, and the leaves are shorter. Be careful and remember what happened there. In tropical desert vegetation the plants have the roots are long, deep and the widespread, but the leaves are shorter, which result in slower evaporation process. Which process? Evaporation process. It means બાષ્પ નિષ્કાસ ની પ્રક્રિયા. After, dear children, they will be given about the fourth one, the temperature forest and the grassland. Which one? Temperature forest and the grassland. It means સમશીતોષ્ણ કટિબંધીય જંગલો અને ઘાસના મેદાનો. And in bracket they already given that this is called as a Himalayas vegetation. It means Himalayan vanaspati. Now, dear children, they have to divide the vegetation on Himalaya. What happened there, dear children? Here they have given the division, and this division are given on the basis of the vegetation on Himalayas. They are given the division of the basis of the vegetation of the Himalaya. Dear children, in your textbook they have already given in full detail in your textbook with full information. First of all, dear children, they have given about the height, after aerial span, forest and the tree. First of all, they have given about the height of 1000 to 2000 meter. What happened there, dear children? Here they have given about the heights of 1000 to 2000 meter. In aerial span it means kshetriya vistar, where we have to find out high mountain of the northeast, West Bengal and mountainous areas. Which forest? It is also called as a tropical forest. Tropical समशीतोष्ण कटिबंधीय जंगल. Now which kind of the trees we have to find out in the height of the vegetation of the Himalayas forest or tropical forest? We will find out the trees of oak and chestnut. These are the major tree find out from the tropical forest. Second, they have to be given on the basis of height 1500 to 3000 meter. Dear children, how much? They have to given the division on the basis of the height of the Himalayas vegetation, that 1500 to 3000 meter. Now, where it is find out? They find out in Uttarakhand, southern slope of the Himalayas and the higher area. Where? Uttarakhand, southern slope of the Himalayas and the higher area. And it is also known as the coniferous forest. Which one? Coniferous forest. It means Shankudrum Jangalo. Now, which kind of the major tree we will find out from the coniferous forest? Pine, sar, silver fir, and the spruce. Which one? Pine, sar, silver fir, and the spruce. These all are the major tree we will find out from the coniferous forest at the height of 1500 to 3000 meter in the Himalayas vegetation. After dear children, they will do even the height at 3600 meter and more. How much height? 3600 meter and the more than 3600 meter. And these are found out in the south and northeast of the higher altitude in the Himalayas and near the snow lines. And that's why they have given the name of the forest as alpine and short grass. Which one? Alpine and short grass. You can also that prune vegetation. Now, which kind of the major tree we have to find out from the alpine and shorter grass? Here we have to find out silver fir and the birch. These are the major tree we have to find out at the height of 3600 meter in the more in the Himalayas vegetation. A major characteristic of coniferous forest is that the tree have conical shape. Which one here? A major characteristic of the coniferous forest at the height of 1500 to 3000 meter, that the tree have the conical shape. A conical shape, it means shankhu akara. The branches lean towards the surface. The branches lean towards the surface so that the snow would easily slide down towards the land. Tree leaves are long, pointed and sticky, which can conserve the humidity for the longer time. Whatever the dear children here, whatever the trees we have to find out, the trees leaves are long, pointed and sticky, which can conserve the humidity. Humidity means wet for the longer duration of the time. Last and fifth one, the types of natural vegetation they have to given about the tidal forest. Which one? Tidal forest. It means Bhartina Jangalo. What is the another name of the tidal forest? Mangrove. Which one, dear children? Mangrove is the another name of the tidal forest. Here, first of all, they have given about the distribution portion, dear children. Tidal forests are located in the delta region. In which region, dear children, we have to find out tidal forest? Tidal forests are located into the delta region of the river along the coast. What they have to given them? The tidal forest or mangrove forest are located into the delta region of river along with the coast. These forests are found. Now, where this forest we have to find out, dear children? These forests are found along in Gujarat coast and in the marshy land along the Bay of Bengal coast. What happened, dear children? Here, this forest, these forests, it means tidal forest, are found along the Gujarat coast and in the marshy land. The marshy, it means Daldaliya Vistar land along the Bay of Bengal. Now, dear children, they will be given about the name of the trees we will find out from the tidal forest. And which tree we have to find out? We have to find out the Sundri and Cher. These are the major. These are the major tree we have to find out from the tidal forest. So what happened, dear children? We have here learn about the another three types of the natural vegetation. Here one is a tropical desert vegetation. In this, you have to remember that here the annual rainfall is near about centimeter. It means less than centimeter. Annual rainfall is there, and here it is found in the northern western region of Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. Now, what happened there? In tropical desert vegetation, the roots of the trees and plants are long, deep, and the widespread. After, dear children, they given about the temperature, forest, and the grassland. It means they have to given to the basis of the vegetation of the Himalaya. The vegetation of the Himalaya. It means Himalayan vanaspati. They have to divide it on the basis of the heights. Which are 1000 to 2000 meter, 1500 to 3000 meter, and 3600 meter and more. 1000 to 2000 meter, it is known as a tropical forest. 1500 to 3000, it is known as a coniferous forest. And more than 3600 meter high, it is also known as alpine and the short grass. And fifth one, here children, they given about the tidal forest. It is also known as a mangrove. Where it is found out, it is located into the delta region of the river along with the coast. So, dear children, this is the types of the natural vegetation is the important question for the examination purpose also, and also for the next year you have also the useful this information. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.